Nearly half of people involved in a survey in New York City say they know at least one person who has died from coronavirus. Of the 508 polled, 46% of people said they knew one of the nearly 17,000 people who have died in the city, compared to 1 in 3 people across New York State. The Siena College Research Institute polled registered voters from April 19 to 23. Last month, fewer than one-third of New Yorkers knew someone who had tested positive for coronavirus, said Siena College pollster Stephen Greenberg. The human toll is almost unfathomable, as 46% of New York City voters personally know someone who has died from coronavirus, as do 36% of downstate suburbanites and 13% of upstaters. Half of Latino and Black voters know someone who has passed away from this insidious virus. The survey also found that across the state, around 1 in 20 said the virus has infected someone in their house. In New York City, that number is closer to 1 in 10. A third of New York State households include someone who has been laid off as a result of COVID-19, the results showed. About 3/4 of those polled said New York cannot restart its economy without widespread testing. To say the coronavirus has had a tremendously detrimental effect on New York's workforce, upstate and downstate, is a gross understatement, Greenberg said. 19% of voters have themselves been laid off, and another 13% say someone in their household has been laid off. While the layoffs have hit upstate and downstate nearly the same, 48% of Latino voters say that they and/or someone in their household has been laid off, compared to 30% of both white and Black voters affected by layoffs, Greenberg added. More than half of downstate voters and 41% of upstaters live in a household with at least one person working from home who usually works outside the house.